Transform your windows in one afternoon without sewing. With Traceable Designer, you won't believe how easy it is to make beautiful custom valances that look professionally designed. Traceable Designer valance kits include reusable, traceable, no-sew design forms used to make unlimited window valances without sewing, making them the perfect home decorating tools. Make your custom valances using by-the-yard fabric, pillowcases, a curtain panel, or any household fabric item you'd like to match. Pillowcases are a great fabric option and available in a wide variety of fabrics and prints to use on any window in your home. With a full selection of no-sew valance kits to choose from, you're sure to find the perfect kit to match your home decorating taste. The cornice-style valance kits include unique layered panels, easily adjust overlapping panels on a wide pocket curtain rod for a perfect custom fit. The end result is a fully lined, crisp, professional-looking cornice-style valance. The elegant lambrequin valance kits include adjustable side panels to frame your window. Simply trace the design form to adjust the side panel length. Adjust center panels to fit small or large window sizes and hang using a standard metal curtain rod. The swag curtain valance kit includes both pleated and gathered styles. Make pleated styles, gathered styles, or mix pleated and gathered styles. The scarf and blossom valance kit includes a traditional scallop design with a selection of scarf and flower panel connectors. The master decorator kit includes all Traceable Designer valance styles in one reusable deluxe home decorating kit. You'll find style-specific video tutorials on YouTube. Simply follow along to make your professional-looking window valances without sewing. When custom no-sew decorating is this easy, why settle for less? Make your mark with Traceable Designer.